Welcome colleague, welcome family, welcome friends. You have tuned again into this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. Okay, we are going to talk about something very important today. I am Amza, be leading you throughout this channel, Raising Energy, Raising Vibration. Okay family, okay friends, we are going to talk 100% success strategy. 100% success strategy, that is what I'm going to share with you. Something that if you apply to the latter, you are going to see anything that you have like objective, anything that you have like goals succeeding in, you are going to succeed in everything. Okay, first of all, I'm going to introduce this channel now. Those that are new, if you're watching me and you are new in this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this channel is going to help you raise your energy, raise your vibration for you to live the life that you really want and you have dreamed of. So friends, family, 100% success strategy, what is it? Now I want to ask something. Have you ever tried to manifest something and up to now you have not manifested it? You can have a goal of weight loss. It can be a goal to manifest additional income. It can be an objective to manifest a house, but up to now you have not achieved that objective. What do you think can be the problem? Why is that you have not yet manifest what you want? What? Why? Have you have the answer to it? Now, sometimes you even think that life is difficult, life is hard, because at each stage in life, at each moment in life, you find yourself struggling for one thing or for two things. You think that, oh, it's not, there's no need and all those stuff. Yes, I thought about it once in my life, many times, not even once, many times in my life, and you too, I know that's what you are going through. Something think that life is difficult. Now, let me tell you something. The problem is not even with you. The problem is not even with someone else, or your father, your neighbor, or whosoever that is hindering you from manifest. Or not even with the environment, but the problem is the subconscious mind. The problem is the unconscious mind. That is why it is hindering you, is sabotaging you in manifesting the life that you desire. Now, in this strategy that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to help you to communicate effectively with your subconscious mind, so as to remove all negative belief, all sabotaging, and for you to manifest the life that you really want and to manifest the life that you really desire. Now, I'm going to introduce you to success transposition. What is success transposition? Success transposition is simply a strategy, a technique that you are going to collaborate effectively with your subconscious mind in order to remove all sabotaging belief, because your belief is what determines your reality. Now, let me come back again. No, more often people want to manifest something, but in the same way, they are blocking their manifestation. For example, someone wants to manifest additional 1,000 money, can be a million of dollars. I don't know, anything, an objective. It can be a house, or it can be a business, to see your business flourishing. But when the opportunity to present itself to you, you say that no, I'm not worthy for. Or you say I want to manifest something, but along the day you'll be confessing lack. Along the day you'll be confessing lack. You see, those type of things like that. These are things that when you do it repeatedly, because of this confusion, because of this contradiction between your conscious self and your unconscious self, very soon your unconscious mind will take a stand of refusing you everything that you really want to manifest, everything that you know you really need it, that is legally right for you. Your subconscious mind will refuse it totally. So how can you now resolve that problem? You can resolve that problem by applying this success transposition that I'm going to share with you. This is a technique of transporting success in one area of your life to an area where you want the success to be. Now, many of us has experienced success once or many times in our life in some certain areas. Now, when we're a little child, we learn. We did not just walk like that and began to walk. It was with step by step. We first of all stood up. After the thing we felt and we felt the pains, we walk up, we rose up again, and it was bit by bit like that we learned in walking. Even in reading, it was not just we never grabbed the reading process just at once that we went to school we just began getting the book and just flourishing with the reading. No, we started with the a, b, b, a, ba. Sometimes b, will say b, of which b, is b. So that's how we started, bit by bit. And after then, we just grab the reading. Even in counting, even in whatsoever we are doing, is bit by bit that we grab the thing. And once we have succeeded, it means that we can succeed in other fields. If you have succeeded in your relationship, if you have succeeded in working, if you have succeeded in overcoming that situation that you think was difficult, and that was even difficult because someone like me, when I was in school, when I was teaching me in learning, I quite remember one of my brothers was teaching me in reading. I was saying that it was terrible. I would see I would say that I'm telling you, I would see b, I would say that is k. You see, sometimes I would see that, I would think of those times and say, hey, what is this? And what was really doing? Now you see, now I have succeeded in reading. Although with all the difficulties, with all the blockages that I had, this means that I can equally succeed in everything that I gave my energy to, in everything that I gave my focus to, in everything that I gave my attention to. That's simply the principle of success transposition. If you have succeeded in doing this, if you have succeeded in that exam, why can you not succeed in this other exercise? If you have succeeded in A, it means you can succeed in B. If you have succeeded in C, it means you can succeed in D. If you have succeeded in F, it means you can succeed in E. You can succeed. That's it. And how can you successfully use the process of success transposition in bringing success in area A or in area A that you have already experienced to area B that you want to experience? Is it to enter into a stage of meditation. Now, take the area A, the area B that you have, and take the area A. For example, if you have a situation in you, let's say a journey that you are afraid of to go, and you have done numerous journey and you have succeeded, you just calm down. You say, oh God, if I've been able to succeed in this various journey, it means I can succeed in this journey. You just calm down and take that journey. Let the feeling of that success, let the happiness that you derive from that success, let the fulfillment that you derive from that journey A success, transport it into journey B. Send it into journey B. Bring journey B before you and begin to transport it. Begin to visualize you succeeding in journey B the same way you succeed in journey A. Transport the same feelings that you have in journey A to journey B. Transport. Those things are things that we do. Those things, everything happens in the realm of the spirit before it happens in the realm. When you begin to do like that, you set the creative force in action. You set the force of creation in action, and you begin to create for you events. You begin to create for you situations that will bring about success in journey B that you want to go. And that strategy goes for the same thing in business. If you have been able to buy one item and you sold the one item, why can you not buy millions of items and you make great goods and selling the millions of items? You just have to sit down and you transport the success in selling the one item. You transport the feeling and the joy that it brought in that second business that you want to do. That's the same. That's just the success. But now I'm going to share with you 3 strategies, 100%, that has been proven 100% success strategy. And what are the 3 strategies? The number 1 strategy is, first of all, define your target. Set your target. Number 1, set your target. What is your target? What is it that you really want? What is it that you really want to achieve? Make sure that your target is clear, no confusion. If you want to achieve $1,000 plus or $10,000 plus, please define your target. Let your target be defined and well prescribed. For example, a well-defined target that you can easily have your subconscious mind focus on is a target, like, for example, like this. Just imagine a circle, and in that circle there is a red dot. That is an example of a coincident target. Let your target be like the circle, and in the circle there is a red dot. If you can even draw it and paste it on your wall where you'll be seeing it every day, just to cause your subconscious mind to get focused on it. And the number two thing you can do is to prioritize your target. You have to prioritize your target. You have to give priority to your target. And how can you give priority to your target? First of all, by doing what? Just imagine millions. Just you raise your target up. You raise the flag of your target. And how can you do that? Imagine that there are many people dressed in alike, dressed maybe in white. And why they are dressed like that? One of the people, they are holding the flag, having your target, and as you just look on it, and that is where your target will, your eyes, your focus will go. Your focus will go on your circle, will not go on those thousands of people that are around your focus. They will just immediately, your focus will be on that circle with a red dot inside. That will be where your focus, that where your eyes will go, and that's where your attention, that's where your focus will go. It means that in that way your focus will be there even when you engage yourself into your daily activity. And the number three things you have to do is to remove all self-defeating belief, remove all sabotaging belief. And how can you remove all sabotaging belief? You can remove sabotaging belief by doing what I earlier told you, by meditating, by transposing or transporting the success, your previous success, to the areas of your life where you want to seek success. Is it in your relationship? Is it in your business? Is it in your education? Is it whatsoever? I know there are success that you have achieved in your former life. There are success that you have achieved in the past. Begin to take those success and bring it where you want to achieve your success using your mind power by transporting them into the realm of creation, into those areas, and you are going to see wonderful things. This secret that I have just from share with you, the secret that many people have used and they have succeed, and it's time for you to use it too, and I know it's going to succeed with you. If thousands of people have used it and you have succeeded with them, why can't you use it and it will succeed with you? The only thing I have to tell you is just believe. Just believe. If you believe, you are going to attract more faith to you. But if you have suspicious belief, that is, you doubt about it, and you are going to attract more doubt in return to you, according to a law of quantum physics. Like attract like. If you believe, you attract belief, and it's going to work. If you unbelieve, if you have doubt, and more doubt is going to come, it's not going to work, and you are going to see. Just believe. That's the key. That's what I'm going to tell you. That's my advice. Just believe, and you are going to see the thing working for you. If it worked for the thousands of people that are outside there and are using it, why can it not work for you? So that's it. That was the 100% strategy success you can use in achieving the goals and the objectives that you have. You can use this strategy if you have a precise objective. If you have a precise goal, you can use it and you are going to see how it's going to transform the goal and it's going to bring it into manifestation. Okay, friends. Okay, families. I am M. Hamza, leading you in this channel, raising energy, raising vibration to help you manifest the life that you really need and you really desire. Please, if you are new in this channel, make sure you subscribe in this channel so I will be able to notify you with upcoming videos for you to raise your energy, raise your vibration, for you to manifest the life that you want and you desire. That said, I'm going to tell you it's time for you to go and put that secret into practice and use it, and you are going to see wonderful results for yourself.